Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing with you 8 exercises that will transform your body in just a month. But before we get into the workout, let's talk about why these exercises are so effective. First, they are compound movements, which means they target multiple muscle groups at once. This allows you to get more bang for your buck in terms of muscle building and fat loss. Second, they are high-intensity exercises that raise your heart rate and boost your metabolism. This means you'll continue to burn calories long after your workout is over. So without further ado, let's get into the exercises. 1. Squats. Squats are a classic exercise that work your lower body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands at your sides. Lower your body as if you were sitting back into a chair, keeping your weight in your heels and your chest up. Then, push through your heels to return to the starting position. 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great upper body exercise that work your chest, triceps, and shoulders. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your body until your chest touches the ground. Then push back up to the starting position. 3. Lunges. Lunges are another great lower body exercise that work your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a lunge, step forward with one leg and lower your body until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Push through your heel to return to the starting position. Then repeat on the other side. 4. Burpees. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that works your entire body. To perform a burpee, start in a standing position. Drop down into a plank position, then quickly jump your feet back up to your hands. From there, jump into the air with your hands overhead. Land, and immediately drop back down into the plank position to repeat the movement. 5. Planks. Planks are a great core exercise that works your abdominal muscles, as well as your lower back and shoulder muscles. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Hold this position for as long as you can, keeping your body in a straight line and your core engaged. 6. Leg press. The leg press is a machine-based exercise that works your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a leg press, sit in the leg press machine with your feet shoulder-width apart on the platform. Push the platform away from your body using your legs, then slowly release to return to the starting position. 7. Bench press. The bench press is a classic upper body exercise that works your chest, triceps, and shoulders. To perform a bench press, lie on a bench with a barbell or dumbbells in your hands. Lower the weight to your chest, then push it back up to the starting position. 8. Lat pull down. The lat pull down is a machine-based exercise that works your upper back and biceps. To perform a lat pull down, sit in a lat pull down machine with your hands grasping the bar. Pull the bar down to your chest, then slowly release to return to the starting position. Remember to always use proper form when performing these exercises to avoid injury and maximize results. And be sure to mix up your workouts to keep your body guessing and continue to see progress. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.